During our research in Telangana, we discovered that solar panels lose up to 30% efficiency every year because of dust and pollution. Think about it. Business parks, IT companies, industries, educational institutions, and large-scale solar power plants invest heavily in solar, but they are not getting the expected returns due to this problem. Many spent hours manually cleaning panels, wasting large amounts of water, energy, and effort, yet the problem remained. That moment inspired us to ask, if solar is our future, why let dust and water wastage hold it back? That's why we built a drone-based automated cleaning system. Our drone detects panels using AI and cleans them using water, but in a highly efficient way, minimizing waste and maximizing performance. This solution reduces labor, saves water, and restores solar efficiency. It promotes sustainable energy and supports eco-friendly operations. It also inspires youth in rural areas to explore AI, drones, and renewable energy technologies, opening doors to new career paths, and creating a sense of innovation-driven empowerment for young India. For us, it's more than a project. It's about sustainable energy, community empowerment, and a brighter future. Efficient cleaning, powerful energy,